Biosphere consists in all life in all the parts of the earth. The organisms that live in the same biosphere interact with each other, and the study of these interactions is called ecology. There are many levels of organization for the organisms that live in the same biosphere. The first level is the individual organisms or species. In this level, there are organisms of the same species together. The second level is the population. That is a group of same individuals of the same species that live in the same area. The third level is called community, that is an assemblage of different populations that lives in a defined area. The fifth level is called biome. Here is a group of similar ecosystems that share similar climates, and they also share typical organisms. And the last level is the biosphere, that are all the organisms that live on the earth. The environment is all the conditions or factors surrounding an organism. There are the kinds of factors, the biotic factors and the abiotic factors. The biotic factors are the ones that are composed by the living things, and the abiotic factors are the ones that aren't living things. Observing, modeling, and experimenting are realized that are used in ecological methods. The observation is the first step in asking ecological questions. Here is where the hypothesis is formed. Modeling is made to help the scientists to understand some phenomena that was investigated, and the experimentation is where the hypothesis is proved. All the living things operate by expending energy. Autotrophs, or primary producers, are the only organisms that can create energy thanks for the photosynthesis or the chemosynthesis. The photosynthesis evolves the light, and the chemosynthesis doesn't. The chemosynthesis depends on the capture of carbon dioxide, sulfur compounds, and oxygen to produce carbohydrates and sulfur compounds. The process of the photosynthesis adds oxygen to the atmosphere and removes carbon dioxide. The organisms that acquire energy for other organisms are called heterotrophs, or consumers. There are many types of consumers. A good example of them are the herbivores. The herbivores obtain their energy through eating roots, plants, leaves, and fruits. Carnivores kill and eat from other animals. The scavengers eat from the animals that have been killed or died for natural causes. The omnivores feed from both from plants and meat. The decomposers are the ones that breaks down the organic matter. The detritivores feed on the decomposer that lives on the detritus particles. Energy passes through an ecosystem in a one-way stream. This means that it goes from the producers to the consumers. This energy passes through the ecosystem through a food chain. The food chain is a series of steps in which organisms transfer energy by eating or being eaten. In some aquatic food chains, the primary producers are called phytoplankton, and the zooplankton are the small floating animals that form part from the plankton. The food web is a network of interactions through an ecosystem. Each step in the food chain of food web is called trophic level. An ecological pyramid shows the relative amount of energy and matter contained within each trophic level. There are three types of pyramids: the pyramid of energy, the pyramid of biomass, and the pyramid of numbers. The energy shows the relative amount of energy available at each trophic level. The biomass illustrates the relative amount of living matter available at each trophic level in an ecosystem. Biomass is usually measured in grams of organic matter per unit area. Is a pyramid of numbers. Here shows the relative number of individual organisms available at each trophic level.